Here I have Doogee X55 and today I'm going to show you how to set this phone up. So at the very beginning you have to select language. Here you have the whole list of languages which you can set your device in. Let's select English and then tap on Get Started. Next, phone suggests you to insert a SIM card here, but if you don't have one you can just skip this step. Next you can back up your data if you have one from your previous phone, or you can just set up as new. Next you have to continue. Next you have to connect to the Wi-Fi to proceed. Oh no, you don't have to. You can just skip this step here. Don't need Wi-Fi. Next there's Google services. If you need them, you can leave them. If you don't need, you can just remove them here. But in any case, you have to accept Google's terms of services and privacy policy. Next is date and time settings. Then you have to enter your name, or just skip it anyway. Then if you want you can add your fingerprint on this step, but you can skip this step here and just add your fingerprint anytime and set up later. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.